Hey, Simon here. And today I just want to quickly talk to you about the importance of changing our perspective so we see things with a fresh set of eyes. Because when we look at things differently, all of a sudden, multiple opportunities can unfold as we see things we didn't even know were there before. So, the heart of innovation, the heart of creative problem solving, and the heart of being curious about the world around us. And look, I'll just shrink myself down here, but show you how this worked out for me recently. I'm a very proud, moped owner. And recently, I was on my moped and driving somewhere I wouldn't normally drive. Okay, and I was off to sort of the hardware shop. All right, here I am on my moped. Actually, I had, I had a helmet on, so don't you think I was being unsafe? Okay, so on my moped. All right, here I am. Yeah. All right, cruising along, having a great old time. And I love riding my moped. Right now, here's the thing. I was on this road, which I travel on all the time in my car. I'm a naturally curious person, so I'm always looking at the world around me. But the moment I got onto my moped and changed my perspective, I guess accidentally, so I was sort of looking at the world down here instead of, maybe up here, all of a sudden I started to see these things I've never, ever seen before. Yeah, I was noticing, I guess, people's driveways I never noticed before. I was noticing plants. I was noticing sort of sculptures in people's gardens. I was looking down sort of roads I might have missed before. Okay, and just by all these different things, and all I did was from having my head up here, where it might normally be in the car, okay, just change this perspective down here. And I got home and I couldn't believe what an interesting trip it had been, just seeing all this brand new stuff. I literally felt like I was going down a brand new road. Okay, it was sort of looking at the world with a fresh set of eyes. So the thing I would like us to think about is if we feel a little bit stuck, either for ideas or we're sort of moving forward in the way we want to be, or our innovation efforts aren't happening as they need to be, just change your perspective. Change perspective. Look at things in a different way. Walk at things from a different angle. Take a different way to work. Listen to some different podcasts. Watch something different. But the moment you change perspective, all of a sudden the things you start to see completely start to change as well. My name's Simon Banks, and hey, let's build a more creative and curious world.